Jamaica is a beautiful Caribbean island, blessed with clear blue waters, an abundance of flowers and tropical fruits, and sunshine. Lots and lots of sunshine.
We are Jamaican!
And the kind that comes down from the sky and is reflected in the bright eyes and the warm smiles of the Jamaican people.
Welcome to Jamaica!
Welcome to Jamaica!
But here, in a volatile corner of the city of Kingston, an area known as Olympic Gardens, and its most notorious enclave, Waterhouse, where I grew up, the code-up moments and the melt-your-heart smiles don't come so frequently. This is Jews Avenue Primary School, a place where hard work performed by small hands and imaginative minds can produce big dreams.
You have to make sure that your mind is ready to learn.
I know, because this is where my dream started.
Good morning, Mr. Devon Harris.
I'm Devon Harris, member of the original Jamaican bobsled team. Yeah man, cool running, same story. While much of that movie was Hollywood embellished and Disneyfied, the story actually began in a child like these, running around this very yard and attending school in these very buildings. And it grew from a core belief that is no less true today. If you prepare and have faith in yourself, when opportunity finally comes knocking, you'll be able to answer. You can and you will perform beyond all expectations. The key is preparation. And this is where mine started, at Jews Avenue Primary School, where we didn't have much, not much more than a few pencils and books. And unfortunately today, the kids have even less. You can't focus on your lessons when your stomach keeps interrupting. When low nutrition degrades you to the point your head slinks down before noon. I didn't always have a pair of shoes to wear to school, but I always had enough food to get me through the day and keep me playing until dark. Without that, I don't know if I could have fed my dreams. My dreams motivated me to come to school here every day and to look way beyond the reality of growing up in this neighborhood and to look to the possibilities that existed around the world.
I like to become a doctor. My future inspiration is to become a teacher.
The reason why I want to be a nurse is to help others get well and to follow their dreams.
The reason why I want to become a chemist is that because I like to make mixture of things. I will make a medicine you can take to go out into black hole and discover new things. You can breathe easily inside the black hole, the chemical that I would make.
I am not sure the Nobel laureate who comes up with a new chemical that allows us to breathe in a black hole will come from Jews Avenue Primary, even with a hearty breakfast and lunch program. What I'm certain of is that without enough sustenance, not only will these precious dreams die, but so will all chance of any measure of success, and the downward spiral will widen and accelerate. It is my personal mission and the mission of the Keep On Pushing Foundation to feed the minds, bodies, and souls of these kids so that when their opportunity comes, they will be able to say,
Yes, I can!
Since starting the foundation in 2006, I've been doing most of the funding out of my own pocket with the contribution from close friends and a handful of corporate sponsors. As the need and urgency increase, it is clear that I need a lot more help. And my question is, can you help to bring more food and sunshine into the lives of these kids? I hope your answer is
Yes, I can! Yes, I can! You are living without you. You are my sin. We pray.
Keep on pushing.
To make a donation, please make your check payable to the Keep On Pushing Foundation, P.O. Box 211, Congers, Congers, New York 10920, or visit us on the web, www.keeponpushing.org, and you can make a donation from there. Thank you.